Stamps and seals are an important part of our lives. Since ancient times, they have been used to mark a variety of documents and items in many situations. Now, due to the development of technology, many kinds of stamps are available, such as stamps to mark balls, flowers, and leaves. They add flavor to the stamp industry. Since its inauguration, Taiyotomah Company has introduced innovative products and machinery to manufacture these products. It has added creative ingenuity to the stamp industry. As a company of innovation and ability, it has attracted attention on many sides. Taiyotomah Company's headquarters are located in Yao City, Osaka, Japan. Leading products and manufacturing innovations in the stamp industry were created right here.
Taiyotomah の松下でございます。
I am Matsushita, president of Taiyotomah. Taiyotomah Company is a young company of 20 years. However, my own personal experience in this industry is almost 50 years, involving sales, development, and almost all aspects of the business. I try to bring that experience into the company today. I want our company to make useful, original, one-of-a-kind type products not found at any other company. It is our philosophy to be developing new techniques and original products. Early on, we set up a factory in China in order to add good value and low price to our products. We want to be a maker of new manufacturing machines, materials, and new product ideas. We aim to consistently innovate with new ideas. I think we've accomplished that goal. As you watch this video, I hope you will have a deeper understanding of the stamp industry. Thank you for your participation. Taiyotomah Company has its main office in Yao City and 2 domestic factories. Overseas factories are located in Yangzhou and Shenzhen cities in China. We also have an office in Beijing, China. We are continuing to actively do business in markets around the world. In 1999, our products obtained the World Quality Award in Germany, and our manufacturing technology was evaluated and our name was elevated. Let's take a look at what technologies and products Taiyotomah Company has developed so far. This is a laser beam production method to form characters. The laser beam is cutting away the unnecessary material to form the letters. Here, a flash method is used to imprint letters and characters using infrared light onto specially developed materials. This also is a first in this country. The infrared flash burns away any unwanted material to leave a detailed shape of the letters. Also, we have received a lot of attention from the development of a machine that creates original stamps in a few minutes, called the name stamped making machine. If you enter a name into the built-in computer, the letters of the name will be made using the heat of a thermal printer in just a few minutes. This technology was also developed here at Taiyotomah Company. Next, the joint venture with Sega Company to develop the Koro Koro stamp making machine is big news. In addition, we have developed the world's first alternative to natural rubber. It has no environmentally harmful effects. The polyethylene and elastomer stamp material can be disposed in plastic trash. It is lighter than natural rubber and can be easily processed. With the increase of direct sales, we have made improvements to our home page, which is an important tool. Due to the appeal of our products, Taiyotomah mail order has become an important factor in the internet direct sales market. This innovative form of distribution has been significant in sales growth performance. We are building a direct sales system with the cooperation of Rakuten, Amazon, and Yahoo Shopping. Let's introduce our products. The products can be divided into three basic types. The first is the rubber stamp, which uses a stamp pad to pick up the ink. Next is the self-inking stamp that has the ink pad built into the holder. And last, the pre-inked stamp, which has ink already absorbed into the face material and is ready to use. Taiyotomah continues to develop the self-inking type of stamp because it is the most popular type worldwide. Our brand name is Selfin. We are planning a variety of new sizes in the future. There are the familiar personal stamps used for identification, the company name stamp, the address stamp, the inspection stamp. In addition to these products, Taiyotomah Company has developed various products in response to demands in the social market. This is called Raku Raku Noshibukuro stamp. Using this stamp set, it is easy to mark the envelopes used for ceremonial occasions in a beautiful way. This stamp, called Raku Name, is used for marking your name anywhere on anything. By cutting out the hiragana letters and putting them into the holder, you can build a personal stamp for marking your child's belongings. It can stamp onto any material. The diaper stamp is the same. It is easy to use and mark identification on any material like cloth and plastic covered diapers. Mine stamp for marking your child's belongings with their own name uses new material that Taiyotomah Company has specially developed. It does not slip, so it can be used on plastic surfaces like lunch boxes. It is popular among internet shoppers. The self-inking name stamp type has gained popularity because it is so easy to use both at home and in the office. The marking ball stamp can print onto a ball or sphere-shaped object no matter what the size. The flower stamp can print a message on a flower or a leaf, and it is amazingly clear. When you need to erase personal information, the G-Acacia stamp works so well that it has been praised in the media and news. And of course, we have refillable ink available, which can be exported and sent not only in Japan, but anywhere in the world. Here is the Yangzhou factory in China, established in 1999. In this factory, we make stamp holders and custom products for major companies' orders. The Chinese employees have been trained in Japan to learn the necessary techniques. Many kinds of holders are made in China and then sent to Japan to be processed and assembled together to become the final product. Here is Yao's second factory near the main office. Pre-inked stamps and custom-made rubber stamps are made here. Let's see how one of Taiyotomah's company's typical products is made. This is the pre-inked Superpine stamp. First, we create a block copy with the text or image to be printed. It's block copy prints on digital graph film. Next, in order to transfer text or image to the material, the digital graph film and the materials are stacked together and placed into the flash unit. The black part, like text or image, is not affected by the infrared light, so that it makes the shape on the material. The flash unit has started. The shape shows up on the surface of the material. Next, it is soaked in ink. The stamp base is made from a special foam material with millions of tiny holes to hold the ink. When the soaking process is finished, the stamp base is set into the holder. The assembly is complete and the stamp is tested to check that it prints clearly. Last of all, a label is printed and attached to the holder. The finished product has its final check and is packaged and sent to the customer. Here is the Yao first factory in Japan. The rubber stamps and self-inking stamps are made here. To create the block copy and print it on the digital graph film, the process is the same as before. The film and the resin plate are stacked to carve the shape. It is the resin letterpress. Using the resin letterpress, we make the engraved plate. The stamp face material is pressed onto the engraved plate. It becomes the stamp face. It is cut and attached to the wood support. The headline is made either by hand or by an automated machine. The automated system uses a computer and is a labor-saving breakthrough. The process of making self-inking stamps is the same as the rubber stamp process. However, the material is different. The new material, developed by Taiyotomah company, is called elastomer rubber. The stamp face is finished and put onto the holder. In addition, the Yao First factory has automated engraving machines for making Hanko and Inkan stamps. Taiyotomah company produces a number of products not made by any other company. Each of the products are useful in a variety of situations to make life better. We will continue to make the effort to advance our technology and sales to respond to the needs and desires of as many people as possible. We look forward to a hopeful future.